Hello everybody, welcome to my class today. So today I am back with our next problem, problem 6, which is integration 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole to the power n dx. So take the given integral as I. Now applying fourth property we get 0 to 1. Look here, a is 1, so you have to replace x by 1 minus x. 1 minus x, 1 minus, instead of x I am writing 1 minus x whole to the power n dx. You have to write the property here. Now we get integration 0 to 1 minus x. Look here, 1 minus 1 plus x, that is x to the power n dx. So you get 0 to 1. If we expand this, you get x to the power n minus x to the power n plus 1 dx. Now integrating we get x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus x to the power n plus 2 by n plus 2, limits are 0 to 1. If we put 1 first, we get 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2, and then we put 0, then you get 0. Now just subtract them, you get n plus 2 minus n plus 1, that is 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. This is your answer. Okay. Question number 6. Then let us do question number 7. Question number 7 is 0 to 1 ln of 1 by x minus 1 dx. Now take this integral as I, integration 0 to 1 ln of, this will become x 1 minus x dx. Now apply fourth property. Here a is 1, so you have to replace x by 1 minus x. 0 to 1 ln of 1 minus 1 minus x, this is 1 minus x, then dx. So you get 0 to 1 ln of, this is x, and this is 1 minus x dx. So you can write it as minus integration 0 to 1 ln of 1 minus x by x dx, because this is reversed, so minus sign comes in the first. So this is minus I. So you get I equals to minus I, that is 2I equals 0, that is your I is 0. Very simple problem. Next, let us do the next problem. Problem 8. This is integration 0 to pi by 2 sin square x by sin x plus cos x dx. So let us take the given integral as I, then apply fourth property. Applying fourth property, here a is pi by 2, so you have to replace x by pi by 2 minus x. 0 to pi by 2 sin square, this is pi by 2 minus x by sin of pi by 2 minus x plus cos of pi by 2 minus x, then dx. So you get 0 to pi by 2 cos square x by cos x plus sin x dx. Okay. Now 2I equals to I plus I. Instead of first I, write the given integral. Instead of the second I, write the derived integral. So you get 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx by sin x plus cos x, plus 0 to pi by 2 cos square x by sin x plus cos x dx. If we add them, sin square x plus cos square x 1, so you get 0 to pi by 2 1 by sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, now let us change the page. We get 2i equals to 0 to pi by 2 dx by sin x plus cos x. Let me verify once. Yes, 2i equals to this. Okay, 2i equals to this. Now we can write in this way: 0 to pi by 2 dx, we can write it as root 2 sin of x plus pi by 4. So we get 1 by root 2 0 to pi by 2 cosec of x plus pi by 4 dx. What is integration? Achha, now let x plus pi by 4 equals to z, so we get dx equals to dz. Change the limit. When x is 0, then z is pi by 4. When x is pi by 2, then z is 3 pi by 4. Oh, sorry. X, z. Values of x are 0 and pi by 2. When x is 0, then z is pi by 4. When x is pi by 2, then this is 3 pi by 4. So 1 by root 2, this is pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 cosec z dz. Integration of cosec z is ln of cosec z minus cot z. Cosec z minus 1 minus cos by sin. Ln of mod of tan of z by 2. Ln of mod of tan of z by 2, limits are pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So we get ln of tan of 3 pi by 8 minus ln of mod of tan of pi by 8. Now we have to know the value of ln of 3 pi by 8. Pi by 8. Pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 8 is pi by 8. Okay. So we can write this as ln of cot of pi by 8 minus ln of tan of pi by 8. Let us recall its value. 1 plus tan a 1 plus tan b root 2. So tan of pi by 8 is root 2 minus 1. So cot of pi by 8 will be 1 by root 2 minus 1, that is root 2 plus 1. So let us put down their values. Ln of root 2 plus 1, ln of root 2 minus 1, 1 by root 2 ln of root 2 plus 1, root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1 whole square, that is root 2 ln of root 2 plus 1. This will be your answer. Okay. No. This is 2i equals this. Therefore, I will be I will be 1 by root 2 ln of root 2 plus 1. This will be your answer. 2i equals this. This is your answer. Next, let us do the next problem. Integration 0 to 1 cot inverse 1 minus x plus x squared dx. So first we can write it as 0 to 1 tan inverse 1 by this one. So 1 minus x into 1 minus x plus x square. Okay. Look, x minus plus 0 to 1 tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x into x minus 1. Now this 1 can be replaced by x minus 1. Okay. Now this can be splitted as 0 to 1. Look, tan inverse, if you consider this as y, tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, you can write it as tan inverse x minus tan inverse of x minus 1 dx. Okay. Zero to 1 tan inverse x dx minus 0 to 1 tan inverse x minus 1 dx. Now if we apply fourth property here, then x will be replaced by 1 minus x, tan inverse of minus x. 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. Applying fourth property in the second integral, we get 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus x minus 1 dx. Applying property 4 in the second integral, we have to write in this way. So we get 0 to 1 tan inverse dx minus, this will be tan inverse of minus x, so plus 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. So we get twice integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. Okay. Let us change the page. So we have I equals to twice integration 0 to 1 tan inverse x dx. Now let us consider the indefinite integral. Now let us consider the indefinite integral integration tan inverse x dx. Now integration tan inverse x dx, do by parts. This will be first function, one will be second function. So you get tan inverse x integration dx minus integration d dx of tan inverse x integration dx, then dx. this is x. So x tan inverse x minus integration 1 by 1 plus x square, this is x. So you get x tan inverse x minus integration x by 1 plus x square dx. Write 2 here, half here, so you get x tan inverse x minus half ln of mod of 1 plus x square plus c. Therefore your I will be twice x tan inverse x minus half ln of mod of 1 plus x square, limits are 0 to 1. Put 1 first. So 1 to tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4 minus half ln of 2. If you put 0 here, you get 0. So finally you get the answer pi by 2 minus ln 2. This is your answer, pi by 2 minus ln 2. Okay. Let us end today's class here. I will come in the next class with more problems. Till then, goodbye.